Hi, it's Dini for Amazon Fire HD Kids Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to internet section. Here we'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click on the switcher, then tap to Wi-Fi preferences, and here you'll see all the available networks which you can select. Here enter the password. If you want to see the password, you should click to this checkbox to show it. To have no some mistakes, I'll enter it out of screen. After that, just tap to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just we should first open notification panel shortcuts, and here on the left upper corner you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click on the icons. If you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll see the same settings like the available networks. So just select them, enter the password, and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.